Brian, what's going on, my friend? Good to see you in here. How are you? It's been a little while. How are you, Brian?
I'm doing good. Yourself?
Good. What's happening?
Question for you. I want to change my background. Can I know I could change my background through another app, but can I change my background in Dubb when I'm recording, or make my background something specific?
So you can do a couple things. So if you're recording, like let's go right in let's go to the Dubb dashboard. So if you're going to do one of these, let me go in here. Can you see my screen, Brian?
Yeah, I can see a screen.
So if you click up here, red camera,
Okay.
comes up webcam. If you want to, while you're recording, have something behind you, then you got to
Okay.
go below, click virtual background,
Okay.
go to your photos right here. And
Okay.
upload any screenshots that you have. So whatever backgrounds you're thinking about having in general, just screenshot them, load them into here, and then it creates a little library that looks just like this. So you'll have a choice of different backgrounds you can choose from. So if I wanted to go with this one, I just select it, put it behind me, and there's that one. I hit record and then I go. And then if I want a different background for a different video, go below. Again, go to your photos and just select a different one that you already have uploaded and you're here.
Okay. So like if I have a microphone in front of me, it'll show the microphone, but the background be different.
You got to do this. Like, see, this is the thing. Like, if you have a mic in front of you, it's kind of tough. See how it kind of like fades in and out like this, right? You kind
Yeah.
of want a mic that's on a stand in front of you, but not with this thing right here. See how this part of it here kind of messes it up? You kind of
Okay.
you do it in front of you, but don't have this arm part of it. Have it just on a straight stand. That way it's right here in front of you, and you can keep your arms in your shoulders like this. Because that way they don't go into the soup. Do you know what I mean?
Okay.
So it's here because with these things, you definitely want a good ring light. You want to keep your arms within your shoulders so nothing looks ghosty. And then below here, you definitely want to click. See this edge blur thing that I'm going up and down onto the right? Do you see me doing that?
Yeah.
The higher it goes, the more ghost-like it looks like. See how like faded I look? But if
Yeah. You got like a little yellow ring around you. You got like halo
yeah,
around
I'll kind of have that anyway because that's the color behind me. But it goes from like, if you can see here, let me go up a little bit. See how it's getting worse as I make it bigger? But if I
you.
go
Yeah.
all the way low, it's tighter. So I would bring your edge blur all the way down. And if you can, have like kind of a clean background. It always helps if there's nothing behind you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So like pretty much does it matter how dark it is? Or I know that does, but like do it have to be a well lit room or
Just good front light. Just good front light. So it's hit here and hit here. If you don't have, like, if I turn this light off here behind me, and I go virtual background like this, see how you lose see how I don't have that little thing around me anymore, but see how I'm a little more kind of, it doesn't look as clear. So when you
okay.
have some light behind you, it gives it a little bit of light from behind to make it a little more solid.
What kind of light you got behind you?
I just got this little it's a little Home Depot special. It's just a little one of these. It's a tap light that looks like this, like that. So you tap it
Okay.
and then it turns on and off. But the reason it works well is because I'm in the corner of the room. So if you have a corner that works well, because the divide is right here in the middle, but the light shines on both flat surfaces, so it kind of gives a nice hue over the top.
Okay. So I'm better off with a backlight behind me, like what you just did, like what you just
Yeah,
did.
it kind of helps even it out a little bit, you know?